So hello and welcome once again to the Nobby Green channel on this fine day. So a little bit different to my usual niche, but still in line with the drones. I've been and bought one of these. I'll show you. DJI Air 2S. Quite excited about it actually. So I thought let's do a little unboxing and see what's exactly inside. Been wanting to do this all day. I haven't had time, so here we go. Let's have a quick browse in here. This is to compensate for the lack of the Mini 2 that's, as you all know, has gone in for repair. So there we go, the Air 2S. I normally make an ash of getting into boxes, I do, so let's have a quick leg. There's seals everywhere on these things. When I unboxed the other one, the Mini 2. Anyway, let's get a look in here. There we go. Everything seems to be airtight. Air. Okay, so what we got? We got this one in its bag. I'll take the accessories out first. That will probably help. So I bought the Fly More combo for obvious reasons, because I like the fact that you get 3 batteries, so you can fly more. Hence the term. So here we go then. Right. There she is. I'm not sure what to name this one yet. I've got a good idea, but I think I'm going to save that for a little later on. Please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. You don't say. Okay, so that's the drone. Obviously there's all cables and things in here, more accessories. That feels rather heavy. That's probably the batteries. Have a quick look. Yeah, batteries, charger, power adapter, more batteries. Bit of foam. That'll probably come in handy when I'm doing some fishing. So there we go. 2 batteries. What else do we get? The old RC, which should be virtually identical. I'm thinking. 2. The Mini 2, all very similar. It looks the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same. So RC, pretty much the same as the Mini 2. That's looking all right. And then accessories. Just got some foam in there. It's not that much bigger actually. The bag's not that much bigger than the Mini 2 one, to be fair. So let's have a quick look in the accessories. Let's see what we've got. I think this is to do with the charger. Yep, here's his docking. Dock for your batteries. And you can see that. That's the dock. That's the charger. And I do believe. Yeah, that's a single USB charging dock. I do believe in this pack that there is some ND filters. He's got them the wrong way around. Yeah, there's a set of ND filters here. All the usual cables that come with these combos, spare sticks, and propellers and what have you, all in that box. So let's have a look what make these of. It says DJI. Oh, this is probably just a complimentary thing that you get with them. Yeah, 4, 8, 16 and 32 ND filters. So I'll probably invest in a set of free wells as well, but there we go. All part of the package. So there we go, quick unboxing. We shall see you on the maiden voyage. So here we are once again, out on location, or heading for location. As you know, the DJI Mini 2 has gone back to DJI. They've recalled it after the evidence that I sent them, and so I had to make a decision, and the decision was time to buy another drone. So I passed my 8.2 CFC about 2 months ago. My lad's got the Air 2, so I decided we'll buy the Air 2S, and that's what we're going to go out and test. Maiden flight this morning. That should be fun. We'll see what the first thoughts are. Stick around. So, first flights, first impressions. Extremely responsive. Obstacle avoidance doing its job. Let's just put it into brake. It's doing its job. Not too sure about that minus figure, but we do know that that's an issue. Let's put him on bypass. When we're in sports mode, you can see that the obstacle avoidance is disabled. I'm not going to go into too much detail, just this is the first flight. Just want to do a few checks. Pop him into Imperial, see what the miles per hour is. Let's take him up a bit. Okay, here we go. Soon whizzes up to 40 mile an hour, no problem. Yeah, 42. That's pretty good. So there we go then, a couple of tests on the active track. This one is on trace, and as you can see, the drone, it flies around and it tracks a moving object, being myself, as you can see, trying to trick it here. And it does a pretty good job of spinning round, and then continues to track me back to the starting point. Very clever. So the second test is also on trace, and this time I've flown a little bit further away just to see if it makes any difference, and as you can see, it's doing a fine job. I'm going to do some further testing on these active tracks because there's lots of different modes. There's a spotlight, there's a parallel, but as you can see, this is doing a really good job. Active track on the DJI Air 2S. Quite impressed with that. So there we go, the Air 2S revealed. First thoughts, absolutely fantastic. I did fly it around a little bit more. Just a couple of clips there just to show you what it's capable of, and I will be going into detail into some of these features. And I must admit, the obstacle avoidance is really quite clever, and I've got something planned for that in the future. And also the active track, yep, that's very clever as well. But the actual smoothness and responsiveness of the drone is incredible. So I look forward to doing some new footage and some new tutorials on the Air 2S. So if you've enjoyed that unboxing and first flight, then don't forget, give it the thumbs up. If you've not enjoyed it, give it the thumbs up twice. That will really do us a big favour. And we'll see you next week in next week's video. Thanks for watching.